Today's lesson is about prepositions. Prepositions are short words that are used to describe positions in a sentence, and they are generally followed by the nouns or pronouns. So they'll be telling you the position of two things, okay? Position in time or space. Okay, so first preposition we are going to learn today in French is sur. Sur means on in English. Okay, so here we have a picture and I'm giving you the sentence describing this picture, and this is le livre est sur la table. Le livre est sur la table. As I told you, the meaning of sur is on. So this sentence can be translated as the book is on the table. So sur means on. Our next preposition of today's lesson is sous. S-O-U-S. Sous means under, which is opposite of sur, which we did before this. Okay, sous, under. Le chat est sous la table. Le chat est sous la table. Chat is a cat, so the cat is under the table. Here you can say the cat is under the table. So sous means under. Next preposition of the lesson is au-dessus de, which means above. Above is different than on. Okay, when the thing is not touching the other thing, then it will be used as above and not as on. Okay, so sentence here, as you can see in this picture, le oiseau est au-dessus de l'arbre. This is followed by the here. Okay, so le oiseau est au-dessus de l'arbre. That means the bird, oiseau is a bird. The bird is above the tree. Okay, after au-dessus, the next preposition we are learning here is au-dessous de. Au-dessous de, that means below. Okay, and here the sentence is la valise est au-dessous de la table. The bag or the suitcase is below the table. The suitcase is below the table. Next preposition is devant. Devant. The T in the end is not pronounced. Devant means in front of. Okay, when the thing is positioned in front of, then we use this preposition devant. The sentence here for this picture is la chaise est devant la table. La chaise est devant la table. That means the chair is in front of the table. The chair is in front of the table. Devant. Now the opposite of devant is derrière. Derrière, which means behind or at the back of. So for this picture, the sentence is la chaise est derrière la table. That means the chair is behind the table. La chaise est derrière la table. So this was derrière. Now the preposition is pour. Pour means for. So the sentence here for this picture is je prépare le thé pour ma mère. That means I prepare the tea for my mother. Do you prepare tea for your mother? So the preposition is pour, which means for. Now opposite for pour is contre. Contre means against. Against. So this is the opposite for pour. Now in this picture you can see there is a clock against the wall. So that means something is placed against. The position is of against. So here we see le horloge est contre le mur. That means the clock is against the wall. Okay, so we say contre le mur. Le horloge est contre le mur. Next preposition we are learning today is près de. This is also followed by de here. So près de means near, near. And the sentence here we are taking to learn this is la chaise est près de la table. The chair is near the table. You can see in the picture, the chair is near the table. Près de, that means near. Now opposite of près de is loin de, which means far. De basically means from or off. So this is far from. Okay, loin de means far. Now the sentence, in this sentence we have placed the chair far from the table. So the sentence becomes la chaise est loin de la table. The chair is far from the table. So opposite of près de is loin de. That means far.